Welcome back everyone to the channel. Welcome to another Wednesday upload where I do quick tutorials and basically videos that are shorter than my Monday uploads. But today's video is about paddle shift extenders. We're going to be teaching you how to install them, how to use them, and basically go over the ones that I got. Before I start today's video, I do want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is Armaspeed. They're the ones that provided me with the paddle shift extenders for this car. These ones are the most unique ones on the market right now because they provide a little party trick with them, and that is they glow in the dark. These paddle shift extenders that I'm installing right now today, they actually glow blue in the dark, and I think that is amazing. They're completely different than any other ones on the market, and it's the reason why I agreed with Armaspeed to partner with them to do this video and to basically to show you guys how to install these. And if you do want to buy them, there's a link in the description with a special code to give you a percentage off your purchase. But anyways, let's begin today's video on how to install paddle shift extenders. So this is the box that the paddle shifters actually come inside of, the Armaspeed box, and then in the box you get two paddle shift extenders. Obviously these are open because I had to open them up, but this is what they look like in the daylight. They do have like a forged carbon look. I know you guys know that I don't really like forged carbon, but because they glow in the dark, I think it looks amazing. It doesn't really look that forged carbon-y. I think it's a very unique look and is the reason why I actually really like them. And you can see that Armaspeed logo and obviously the downshift side on this side, and then the upside has the plus sign on it as well. Make sure you cure these in the daylight for at least 30 minutes before installing, just to make sure that they get the proper amount of sunlight so they actually glow in the dark when you install them. The easiest way to explain the setup is you get this 3M double-sided tape. What you're going to do is you're going to put the 3M double-sided tape inside the pocket where the regular paddle shift actually goes, place that in there, and then put it on the back of the stock paddle shift on the steering wheel. So I'm going to put this tape on right now, and then I'm going to go inside and show you guys how to actually place it on the stock paddle shifter. All right, now that we have the double-sided tape installed on the actual extended paddle shifter, make sure the edges don't overlap on the actual paddle shift extender. Make sure that they are flush on the extender. I got both sides installed right now. So let's head inside the car and show you guys how to actually install it on the paddle shifter inside the steering wheel. All right, now that we're inside, we can actually install the paddle shift extender. Make sure before you install it on the stock paddle shifter that you clean the back of it just to get rid of any, finger oils or anything that might make it so it doesn't stick as well. I suggest using a microfiber towel. Just clean the backs of the paddle shifters. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get the right side. So this is the downside. That is also the downside. So we're going to match this together. I'm going to remove the protective on the double-sided tape and then place it right on to the back of the paddle shifter. Okay, now that I have the protective layer off of the double-sided 3M tape, we can put it on the back of the paddle shifter. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully put it in, and then what you want to do is just place it and push as hard as you can, making sure that it's placed correctly, and then pull it back just so it sits the tape perfectly onto the paddle shifter and doesn't, come loose. Press down as much as you can. I'm going to hold it back as much as I can. And that's good. That's not going to come off. That is a perfect install. You can see how it extends the paddle shifter a little bit more, and it just, I don't know, it looks a lot better in my opinion. I think it's cool having a bigger paddle shifter, and plus once it glows in the dark at night, it's going to look amazing. All right, so now I'm going to do the other side using the same steps I did for this one, and that completes the install for the paddle shift extenders. All right guys, so that completes the install for the paddle shift extenders. It's very easy, very intuitive, doesn't really take that much time as well, very short. I don't know, I think they look amazing. I'm not really a big fan of extenders, but these look really good, and I'm kind of glad that they kind of have a hollow piece right here so it isn't just like a huge piece of carbon on the back of a paddle shifter. And plus, once it glows in the dark, I think it's going to look amazing, and it's going to be nice to be able to have extenders so I can easily shift when I'm in Sport Plus and race mode. But yeah, that wraps it up for the install. Using it's very simple. You just use it as you normally would with the regular paddle shifters, and boom, you're done. All right guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. As you saw, it's a very clean, very easy install of the paddle shift extenders from Armaspeed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, as there's a lot more videos on the CLA45 and many other cars coming very soon. If you did like the paddle shift extenders in this video, there's a link in the description for you to purchase your own set. If you have a CLA or any other cars, they have many other cars on the Armaspeed website. Use my code down in the description to get a percentage off your purchase. Thanks again for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on Monday's video.